recharging your daily card, which is like this. What you can do is use these kind of machines and simply put the card inside this machine. Then it will show you like 240 is the current balance, and then you can put cash. Not like that, you have to straighten it up, yeah, and then put it inside. It will go, and then see, it will say 20. Okay, then now total balance 22 euro 40 cents, and then you can take out your card. That's it, simple as that. And then if you want to check your balance, you can use that kind of machine. Bring your card. So this kind of card you can get it in the bottom floor, and simply put it here. See, 22.40 euros. That's it. This is this simple. Thank you so much. See you in the next vlog, and I'll tell you more about the university and stuff. These are the cafeterias where you can eat and drink, and the Mensa is on the upper floor, so you go from here, and it is near the library. See you. Bye bye.